What is rigging equipment? Types of rigging equipment and their uses. Rigging equipment refers to the devices or gadgets and components used to lift and move objects securely, as a part of a planned framework executed by a team of riggers. This encompasses different parts which are utilized to get and convey the heat being referred to work with a moving system, and guarantee that it is finished effectively. Industries that frequently require the services of rigging equipment incorporate construction, designing and engineering, and event organizing. What is rigging equipment hardware? Rigging hardware alludes to the different equipment used to safely lift and move loads in a crane framework. It likewise incorporates the tools used to convey the weight of the load equally while lifting. There is a wide range of crane rigging equipment. Every sort of equipment is utilized in various applications, like construction and event management. Types of rigging equipment. 1. Rigging hooks and shackles. A rigging hook or shackle interfaces chains, ropes, slings, and other rigging equipment during the moving process. Having a secure hold on heavy loads keeps them from slipping while suspended in the air. 2. Pulleys and blocks. Pulleys and blocks work in pairs to assist with lifting heavy objects without unnecessary power. They offer adequate support or help while diminishing the pressure required to lift the load. 3. Wire ropes. This equipment upholds the state of the load during the lifting process. It's frequently mounted to the crane with hooks, shackles, or turns to join and move a load. It should exclude perpetual rope slings and eye grafts at the finish of the wire. Also, an eye joint in a rope ought to just have 3 full tucks. 4. Slings. A sling is a flexible, lightweight device utilized with wire ropes to lift heavy and weighty loads. It gives strength and equilibrium in moving weighty loads around the site. 5. Steel nuts. The steel nuts frequently work with the eye bolts in anchoring a rigging system. They come in various sizes and configurations which are reasonable for various types of rigging applications. Picking one will rely upon the total weight of the load and the kind of thread utilized, right hand or left hand. 6. Eye bolts. This tool or device goes about as an anchor point and loops cables in rigging applications. It comes in different sizes and materials that riggers can look over contingent on their requirements. 7. Turnbuckles. This tool adjusts the length or tension on a cable, chain, rope, and other length rigging equipment. It has 2 threaded eye bolts, with one joined to the ends of a small metal casing. Besides, it comes in 2 types, an extending screw and a bottle screw. 8. Spreader bars and lifting beams. These tools or devices interface the object and the crane while lifting. They balance out the weight of the load for a more manageable lift. Their utilization will rely upon the kind of load that needs help. While lifting heavy weights, utilizing spreader bars is ideal. Similarly, as the name infers, this tool spreads the load widely and makes it simpler and easier to convey. In the meantime, lifting beams are more reasonable for lighter loads, as they can take all the load from a solitary point. How often should lifting equipment be tested? Lifting equipment is also required to be proof tested again if any repairs have been done. This is to ensure or guarantee that chains meet the original strength prerequisites, that broken link joins are supplanted, and that the material used to replace links is appropriate. When tested, the administrative work ought to be kept. Tips for maintaining and operating rigging equipment. Ensure the equipment is in great shape before use. Check for cracks, twists, corrosion, and different signs of strain. You need to follow the manufacturer's specifications on load weight, angle, the center of gravity, and more. Operate the tools at their safe working temperatures. For example, synthetic web slings can get damaged if the temperature exceeds 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Conclusion. With regards to rigging equipment, each piece plays a significant part. You should have the entirety of the right equipment and accomplices to create an assembly that will securely hold and moves your load. Assuming you want wire ropes, chains, hooks, or some other kind of industrial hardware, make Elite Sales your rigging equipment provider. Thanks for watching.